Every journey begins with a spark of power, a touch of freedom, and a machine ready to match your pace. The Fafrees F20 Pro brings all of that together in a compact, foldable design built for modern riders who demand both performance and convenience. At its core sits an upgraded 22.5Ah battery, engineered to deliver up to 100 kilometers of riding on a single charge. Efficient 36-volt power and smart protection systems work in harmony to keep every ride safer, longer, and more reliable, no matter where the road leads. When it's time to move, the motor steps in with confidence. A 250W brushless system, peaking at 450 watts, delivers 45 Nm of torque. That means smooth acceleration when the light turns green, steady power when the path tilts upward, and the kind of performance that makes every terrain feel manageable. It doesn't roar, it responds, quickly, efficiently, and quietly. What truly sets the F20 Pro apart is its versatility. The entire frame folds effortlessly, and so do the handlebars and pedals. Whether you're tucking it into the corner of a small apartment, sliding it into a car trunk for a weekend adventure, or navigating public transit with ease, it adapts to your life without compromise. Compact when folded, capable when deployed. This is convenience built with purpose. Comfort and control follow you across every surface thanks to a 70mm oil suspension fork with lockout. It absorbs shocks, softens vibrations, and adapts seamlessly as the terrain changes beneath your wheels. Rough roads feel smoother, long rides feel easier, and every movement becomes more controlled and composed. Rolling on 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires, the bike holds its ground with confidence. Reinforced anti-puncture layers add protection and durability, keeping you moving through gravel, pavement, grass, or uneven paths without hesitation. The tires grip the world firmly, giving you stability that shows in every turn and every straightaway. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain gives you the flexibility to shift precisely and ride the way you want. Whether you're cruising casually or pushing through challenging terrain, the gears move smoothly and predictably, letting you maintain control at every moment. And when stopping matters most, the mechanical disc brakes take charge. Front and rear, equipped with power-off levers, they deliver reliable, immediate stopping power that inspires confidence in unpredictable situations. Your ride story is always visible through the smart LCD display. Speed, battery level, mileage, and assist settings are all right in front of you, clear, bright, and easy to read. Adjust your support levels on the go, stay aware, and stay connected to every detail of your journey. The Fafrees F20 Pro isn't just a folding electric bike. Its long-range endurance, compact engineering, smooth performance, and everyday practicality, brought together in a ride that works for city streets, weekend paths, and everything in between. It's freedom that fits your lifestyle, power that adapts to your needs, and comfort that keeps you going farther than ever before.